Morning, 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 Sis Melly Diaries. How are you, everybody? Morning, morning. Okay, welcome to our first workout morning session. Welcome to our first morning workout session. My name is Nerissa Bodybeat. I'm here to do just a short workout session with you guys this morning. Morning, welcome everybody. Okay, I'm going to do a little intro and I'm going to talk about a few things, just as an intro. Hi Cheta, how are you? Hi Brenda, thank you so much for coming to the live. I'm here just to do a little bit of fitness education before we start our workout. I'm sure everybody, hi Sonia, I'm sure you all have been seeing that Sis Melly's been exercising. She's been posting herself exercising lately. It's a really great thing. I'm very happy and I hope that like most of the diaries here are going to join. I'm going to talk about the importance of exercise. I know we have had education about exercise. Hi Diana, hi Nontlanta, hi Ashley, Privilege, thank you so much for coming everybody. I won't be able to mention everyone. I'll mention those that I see here and then. So, the importance of exercise is, as we all know, physical activity is really great for your cardiovascular system. Your cardiovascular system, in layman's English, is your breathing system. I'm sure a lot of people, right now, I know Sis Melly's demographic is like middle age like me, late 30s, 40s, late 20s, everybody following Sis Melly is around that age. So, your cardiovascular system ages as your body ages. If you do not exercise, it is like not taking your car for a service. Your body is a machine. It works just like any other machine works because it's got systems within it that need to be serviced. Exercising is like servicing your machine. Hi Tawanda, hi Anna, Farai, thank you so much for coming. So exercising is like taking your body for a service. When you exercise, you increase the amount of oxygen that enters your body. Okay, when you increase the amount of oxygen that enters your body, you improve your brain function, you improve your cardiovascular function, which is your breathing function, you improve your digestive function. Because injecting a lot of oxygen into your body is like when you take a hose pipe and there's a blocked drain, okay? And you take a big pipe, like those hoses that firemen use, and you plug it at the mouth of the drain, and you flush it with water, and that water goes and unblocks the drain. That's what exercise does in your body. Number 2, if you're suffering from high blood pressure and diabetes already, and other of these illnesses that the doctors are telling us these days, that you got this, you got that, high cholesterol, I would highly advise you start doing exercise, depending on your fitness level. Okay, I am not about doing fancy exercises. You will see when we start the workout that I am not here to come and show you guys how to do fancy things. I'm here to come and show you guys things that you can do by yourself, safely and effectively, at home or wherever you are. Okay, Neria, thank you so much for coming. Hi, Mighty Mary, thank you so much for coming. Okay, so we will do a short workout for today. When you are a beginner is a person who has not been exercising for plus minus 4 months. If you have not been exercising for plus minus 4 months, you are a beginner. If you have been doing some walking, brisk walking, bit of walk, jog type situation, you are intermediate. Okay, then advanced is those people that go to the gym frequently, those people that, can take a run, 10 kilometer, even 5 kilometer run. You are an advanced person in exercise. So as I'm doing the workouts, I'm going to say amateurs. When I say amateurs, I mean beginners. Okay, I can say amateurs or I can say beginners. When I start an exercise, if you are a beginner, when you get to count number 10, please take a pause and breathe. When you are intermediate, when I get to count number 15, between 15 and 20, please take a pause. Okay? Advanced, I would really like it if you go to the end of the exercise. So, advanced people are not going to have as much rest time as the beginners and the intermediate, because your breathing system is already, functioning on top form. So you have to keep it up, keep the pace up. When I say amateurs, stop. Please do not push yourself beyond your limit, because I would like you to finish the whole workout, okay? When I say beginners, stop. Please, beginners or amateurs, stop. Please stop. Intermediate, after beginners, you count 5 to 10 reps. Reps are the counts. Like when I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are reps, okay? When I have said beginner, stop. Intermediate, you count 5 to 10 more and you stop. And we will continue like that. I'll be coming here to come and do some more exercise sessions besides just today. It's not a one-timer. I'm hoping that we'll be able to keep it up. Unfortunately, the announcement was for 6 a.m. I had said I wanted to come on at 7 a.m. because I feel that a lot of people between 6 and 7 are doing school kids prep and they won't be able to join the session. So I would like to do the live from the next one at 7 a.m. SIS MELLY will announce when I will come back on. I'm hoping maybe I'll come back again on Wednesday. But when we do a workout today, the workout that we are going to do today, because I don't come live tomorrow, doesn't mean that you must not do a workout. You just go back and go and replay the live and do the exercises again. We will not change exercises a lot of times. We're not going to be doing many fancy moves because hi Chieza Matiga, hi Albertina, hi Praise, thank you so much for coming. We will not be changing many exercise moves because we want to do progressive overload. Progressive overload is practicing something in exercise until you can do more. If you do 5 today, tomorrow try to do 6, 7, going on like that. So we will begin shortly. Before we begin again, I would like to say it does not matter what your body type is, everybody can be fit. If you are very big, if you are medium size, if you are small, everybody, if you've never exercised, you are a beginner and everybody can get fit, everybody can get in top form. Thank you so much for listening. We will begin now. I will not be playing music because I want you guys to hear me well when I am speaking. Thank you. Most important thing, have your water with you when you're going to do a workout. I don't drink too much water when I'm exercising because it gives me a stitch. I do mostly just little sips. Introduction to my equipment is like this. I have small dumbbells. These are 1.5 kg dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, do not be worried. You can take 2 500 milliliter bottles and fill them with water or sand. They work just as well as dumbbells. So everybody can have dumbbells. If you don't have fancy dumbbells, 2 500 milliliter bottles and fill them with water or sand. This is the next size. This is 3 kilograms. You don't need to have these. If you don't have, you take 2 1-liter bottles and fill them with water or sand. Coca-Cola and Fanta bottles work very well because they've got like a neck for grip. 1 big dumbbell. This is a 5 kg. You can take a 2-liter bottle of water, fill it with water, or you can take a 2-liter bottle and fill it with sand. I also have a tire. This is quite big. Not sure of size. You can have a tire, or if you have a step at the back of your house, you can use the step because the tire is working like a step for me here because I don't have a step here in the gym. Okay, I'm using the tire for stepping. So if you have a big tire, you can use that as a step. If you have an exercise step, great. If you have a step at the back of your house or on your patio, you can use that instead of the tire. So everybody is set to go. You can have all this equipment. You don't need to go to game or whatever store to go and buy fancy things. You can improvise. Thank you. I hope everyone can see me. Chennai, Tracy, Vesta. All right. Just wear, if you don't have You don't have to go and buy fancy workout things like a workout outfit, workout tights or whatever. Old t-shirt. This is an old t-shirt I'm wearing here. This is just old tights, old tackies. Don't say I'm going to start tomorrow after I've gone to Mr. Price Sport to go and buy a fancy outfit. You don't need all that. Any shorts, any tights, any t-shirt, and you can put, I put this on because I sweat a lot and my hair gets in the way. I've got a member that is joining now. Okay, the first move is slow jog on the spot. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Jog. 1, 2. Lift your feet off the ground. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. 7. Lift your knees. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Thank you so much for the likes, guys. 3, 4, 5. We are warming up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. We're going to do outward kicks. Kick your knee out. 2, kick. 3, hold your waist, pull your stomach in. 4, 5, we're warming up. 6, 7, kick out. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. We're going down into squat motion, but we're not really squatting. We're going to touch the floor in frog jump position. Here, push your bum backwards and lift your hands up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch it out. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Range of motion up. 5. Straighten your elbows. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. Okay, we're going to do butt kicks. This is running, kicking your feet back to your bum. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. Breathe. When we breathe, we don't pant. We take deep breaths through our nose, out through our mouth. In through your nose, and out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Hi Sandra, hi Vicky. Please get your tire. The size there. And 1 big dumbbell. 2 5 kgs and 2 kilograms. The warm-up is done. We're now getting into the serious stuff. Small sip of water. Take your small dumbbells, 500 ml of water. Okay. We are going to do weighted jumping jacks. Be a spring when you are doing jumping jacks. You must allow your knees to be like a spring. Free, don't make your knees stiff. We will bounce. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Eat through your nose, breathe through your nose, and out through your mouth. Okay, those with joint issues, when we are jumping, you don't have to jump. You just lift your feet off the ground and you go. Okay? If you have joint issues, move. You don't have to let the fact that you can't jump stop you. Now, we are going to do punches. Across, across. When you punch, it's like a screw. Screw your hand, screw your hand. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, move. 3, give me a little bounce. 4, 5, 6, let's go. 7, 8, screw your hand. 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's go. 7, amateurs, you have stopped. 9, 10, intermediate, stop now. 1, advance, let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, keep breathing. 9, 10, and out. We have one more. Hi, Ezzy. Hi, Memory. Good morning, everybody. Let's go. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Your nose knows how much air must go to your lungs. Your mouth doesn't. So don't breathe in through your mouth. 3, 2, 1. Again, punch. 1. Let's go. 2, screw. 3, 4, 5. Push, guys. 6, 7, 8. It looks like it's nothing, but you'll feel it. 10, 1, 2. Let's go. Step it. 4. Amateurs, you're resting. 5, 6, 7. Extend your arm. 8, 9, 10. 1. Advance. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. Put it down. Breathe. We're going back into those. Touch the floor in frog jump position. And when you get up, I want a little hop. Okay, touch the floor and hop up. 3. If you've got knee problems, don't hop. Just get up. 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9. Let's go. 8. Amateurs, go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and out. Breathe. Clara, thank you so much. Hi, Tablet. Thank you for coming. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. We will repeat again. Guys, don't take these moves for granted. You will feel it. It looks like we're doing nothing, but we are not. This is a beginner workout. We want to see how far you can go. We're not here to do fancy moves so that you can feel intimidated. We know how to do the fancy moves, but we're not here for that. We are here for fitness. Get people moving, get people exercising. Let's go again. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Touch the floor. 4, 5. Amateurs, give me 4, 2, 3, 4. Amateurs out. 5, 6. Let's go. 7, 8, 9, and out. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now get your next size dumbbell or your 1 liter bottles filled with water or sand. First. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay. Now, I want you to stomach in, chest out, lower back in. Okay? Stomach in, chest out, lower back in. Hold your stomach tight and push your chest up. Okay? Push your chest up. We are going to raise our arms as if we are flying. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. A bit high. 2. Higher than your shoulders. 3, 4. And don't let the weight drop. You're carrying it. 5, 6. Carry the weight. 7. Not this. The weight mustn't pull you. Let's go. 9, 10. I'm going to try to stop. 1, 2. Breathe. 3, 4. 1 more for intermediate. 5. Out intermediate. Advanced. Let's go. 6, 7. Keep breathing. 8, 9. 1 more. Up and carry it down. That's it. Breathe. Deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay? Ladies, I know I brought my belt here today. Whilst we are taking a breather, I want to talk about this. This is a waist trainer. Ladies love to wear these things because they think it makes their stomachs flat. Waist trainer does not make your stomach flat. Exercise makes your stomach flat. You see, our other member is wearing his male waist trainer. A waist trainer is for back support during exercise and also to train you to remember to keep your stomach tight. Okay? It helps you to remember to keep your stomach tight. Keeping your stomach tight during exercise and all day when you're walking improves your posture. You understand? When you pull your stomach in, it aligns your spine so that you don't slouch. There's people that walk with a hatchback like this, slouching. You see, if you have that problem, it means that your lower back, your core is not strong. So you need to tighten your core. You can help your core to tighten by pulling your stomach in. That's what a waist trainer is for. Whoever told you, ladies, that a waist trainer will make your stomach flat, lied to you. It does not make your stomach flat. Pick up your weights or your 1 liter bottles. We're going to do the same exercise again. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Carry the weight. 4. And drop it. 5. You must carry it down. 6. Carry it down. Let's go. 7. Don't let it drop. Carry it. 8. Carry it down. 9. Carry it down. Let's go. 10. I'm going to try to stop. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 4, 5. Intermediate out. Advance. Let's finish it. 5, 4. Let's go. 3. And down. 2, 1 and out. That's it. We are going back to those touch the floor with a little jump like a frog. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, out. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to chest out. 4, 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. Breathe. We're doing it again. Hi Phoebe, thanks for coming. Vicky, good morning. 3, bum back. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. I'm gonna just out. 7. Woo. 8, 9. 8 out. Woo. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Waist trainer does not make your waist smaller. Working out does. It supports core and posture. Thank you, Chandler. That's right. That's right. I see people promoting waist trainers here on social media, telling lies. Waist trainer will not make your stomach small. It will not. Exercising does. It just reminds you to keep your stomach in, and it helps support your back. We are going to the next dumbbell or your 2-liter bottle. Big dumbbell or 2-liter bottle. This is just a 5 kg dumbbell. Okay? Put your big dumbbell. Bring it like this. You can carry it. Alright. Next exercise. We are going to bend. Push your bum backwards. Okay, you push your bum back. And the weight or the bottle must be right against your leg. It's like you're rubbing it against your leg. And you go down and up. Down, you see, lower back in. I'm not doing the angry cat. You see this here slouching. We don't want it. Pull your lower back in. Okay, we're going to go down and come up and push that up. Okay? Follow your body. Your weight must be right against your clothes. Like you're rubbing it against your clothes, all the way down to halfway down your calf, and you go up and push up. Pull your stomach in. You will feel this in the back of your thighs, in your bum. You feel it in your stomach, you feel it in your shoulder. This is a very good movement for your whole body. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And up. 1. Let's go, follow your body. And 2. Let's go. Weight right against your clothes. 3. Go down. 4. Push it. 5. Let's go. Push your bum back. 6. Back. 7. We are not squatting. You see my feet are close together. And up. Bend your knees slightly. 8. Let's go. Down. And up. Let's go. Let's go. 6. 5. Let's go. 4. 3. Push it, guys. How much chance you've stopped at 10? 2. Let's go. Up and out. Breathe. Good morning, Terrio. Oh, thank you so much for coming, Terrio. Welcome, 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 welcome. We're going to do that one more time and we're going to change it, okay? Be prepared with your equipment. My other member here was not prepared for his exercise, so he's carrying a 12, what is that? That's a 15, he's carrying a 15 kg weight because he was not ready. He's using what is here. Prepare your stuff. Have your equipment in a corner, okay? So that you don't end up carrying 15 kg, in an exercise where you're supposed to be carrying 10 kg. So when you come unprepared, you end up doing things you are not ready for. 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. 1. And up. 2. And up. 3. Up. 4. And up. Let's go. 5. Push up. Keep your stomach tight. 7. Let's go. 8. Follow your body with the weight. 9. How much get very hot and start really sweating. We are going to push your bum back, lean forward, pull your stomach in, lower back in. You see, this is how I am. My posture, lift your feet off the ground gently. We're going to go. Soccer players know this movement. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move your body. 5. Don't be stiff. 6. Let's go. 7, 8, 9. Let's go. Keep lifting your feet off the ground. 10. Amateurs out. 1, 2. Let's go. 3, 4. Keep your stomach tight. 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. You should really be feeling that right now because of the exercise we did before. Pulls a lot in your legs, in the back of your thighs, and in your bum. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. No pressure, guys. Just do your best today. Tomorrow, you try to do 2 more, 3 more than today. The stages go like that. Don't put yourself under pressure. No pressure. We're going to go again. Same movement. Push your bum backwards on your toes. Okay? Stomach in, lower back in. So let's go. 1, 2. Be flexible. Move your body. 3, 4. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9. On your toes. 10. Keep it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lift your feet. 8. Woo! 9. I'm feeling it. 10 and out. That's it. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. In and out. In and out. Okay. Are you guys good? It's been 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's push it another 10 minutes. I know if you've been doing this, it feels like you did a lot. I'm not saying you didn't do a lot. It's been 20 minutes and you've been taking it easy. Breathe. Set your pace. If you can, let's go another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes. Those that are just watching, this looks like it's nothing, but it's not. It's not. We're going to go on a mountain climber. On the tie. This is where we use the tie. Hold the tie. Go into push-up position. Pull your stomach in. Body flat. And you're going to go. Tuck your knee to your stomach. Knee to stomach. Knee to stomach. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. That exercise is for your stomach. It's an abs exercise. It's for making your stomach tight. So those that say cover must fall, this is the exercise. We will do it one more time. Push-up position on the step or the tire, and you will tuck your knee towards your stomach, keeping your stomach tight. 3, 2, 1. Down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Intermediate and amateurs out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. Breathe. here. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, guys. In through your nose, out through your mouth. We are doing high knees with the tuck. You're going to go tuck your stomach. Go forward as if you want to fold your body in half. Here, fold your body. Fold your body. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. 7, 8. Fold your body. 9. This is a stomach exercise, guys. 10. 1. Up and tuck. 2. Up and tuck. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9, 10. Amateurs out. 1. Push, guys. 2. Tuck it. 3. Push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. Breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Hi, Elizabeth. How are you, Nandanda? Thank you so much for coming. Tariro is here. Tariro, my son's giver. She's here. You just Tariro, the exercise person.
Please.
Okay, one more set of the first one. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Tuck it. 2. Tuck your stomach, guys. 3. Keep your stomach tight. 4. This works out your abs. 6, 7, 8, 9. Lift your knee. 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go, guys. 10 and out. Woo! Okay. Breathe, guys. We're almost at the end. We have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Don't give up. Stick it out. Someone is dying here. Yeah. Why are you dying? Tell the members. Why are you dying? Okay. He says he's fine. Okay. We are going to do body weight squats. Ladies love these. They are for men as well. They make your legs strong. That whole thing of men going to the gym and working out their upper bodies only and having toothpicks for legs, it's not on, it's not sexy, guys. It's not sexy. Having a big chest, big arms, big back, but your thighs and your calves are thin. It is not sexy. We don't want that. Okay? We're going squat. Push your bum backwards. Open your feet this wide. You're going to go sit as if there's a chair under you, and you come up and squeeze your bum. You're going to push back. It's going to switch off. Push your bum back and squeeze. Down and squeeze. Not too hard, yes, fine. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sit. There's a chair, invisible chair here. And up. Squeeze your bum. Sit. Hold it. And squeeze your bum. Sit. Hold it. And squeeze. Don't come up too fast. Sit. And squeeze. Let's go. 4. Squeeze. 5. Squeeze. Push your bum. 6. And squeeze. Push your bum back. 7. I want you to sit for 2 seconds on that chair. 3. Squeeze. 4. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. We're going to sit again. Imagine there is a chair right underneath here and you want to sit there. So you don't sit here on the chair, no. You sit down and you come up and squeeze your bum. Really push it in. You go down, sit and squeeze. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sit and squeeze. 2, squeeze. 3, let's go. 4, squeeze. 5, squeeze. 6, squeeze. 7, 8, let's go. 9, sit for 2 seconds. 10, 5 more, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and out. That's it. Mountain climbers 30. Body weight squats 20. Mountain climbers 30. Body weight squats 20. And high knees 20. Thank you so much, everybody that came to our workout session. Well done to everybody that came to the workout session. You guys did great. I really appreciate you guys showing up. That was a 30-minute workout session. I spoke for a bit at the beginning of it. I was telling you guys it looks like it's nothing, but it's not. You see, I'm sweating. This is a really good workout for those that have not been working out for a while. If you've been complacent and saying tomorrow I will go, if you were going out on the road to run, now you have no excuse, because SIS MELLY has brought a workout session to you guys. You can do it at home. Those that are in South Africa, today is a shutdown. No one is really going to work. Like, some people are going to work, but kids are not going to school. So you have time, if you miss the beginning of the workout, to go, rewind, and do the workout. You will really sweat. You see, I'm sweating, guys. It's a pretty, intense workout. But you do your best. Amateurs stop at 10. Intermediate, try to go 5 more, and advanced finish the whole thing. I really appreciate you guys. I will see you guys at the next session. The next session will be on Wednesday. On Wednesday, it will be at 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. on Wednesday. Because mamas are preparing the kids for school before them. Goodbye.